How to request a ride on transit app. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you will learn how you can request a ride on transit app. Now once you're on transit, once you want to request a ride, the first step is to open up the transit application. Then once you're on the transit app, the next step or the next thing to do is to check out your current location on the map. And then once you check out your current location, you would see a list of nearby transit lines along with their next departure times. Now, the reason why my is not like that is because I'm currently in an unsupported location. But for you, you would see everything you need in here. Once you can see this, when you are near a bike share station, which is less than 50 meters away, you can easily request for a bike by clicking on the bike stay station. After clicking on the bike stay station, an option will pop up which is unlock a bike. Alright, tap on it, and after tapping on it, you get a ride code, and then this code can be used to get a ride easily on transit application. All right, and then if it's for a cashier instead, if you are trying to request a ride using cashier, also on this map you would see cashier vehicles that are available. All right, you'll see them here, and you usually notice them because they usually have a pin on them. Once you see this pin, tap on it, and then you can easily request a ride following the on-screen prompt and instruction. But you must note that your ride code will expire after a set amount of time, so you need to request a new one when the time is up. Thanks for watching and have a good day.